Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the Android and confirm a working SIM is seated. That's essential because the number is stored on the SIM/profile. Once done, open settings immediately and skip extra apps. You do not need third-party tools. Make sure you have screen access to view about phone details. If the device uses multiple SIMs, note which SIM slot is active. This step ensures the phone can report its assigned number. Now navigate. Tap About Phone or System, then open Status or SIM Status. You'll see phone number or My Phone number listed for the active SIM. If you have dual SIMs, switch to each slot and read both entries. If the number field is empty, use the hidden testing menu by dialing *###4636 ## and checking phone information for that SIM. This reveals the finish by saving the number into contacts as me so you can reference it later, then test it with a quick SMS or call to confirm it's active. If the number still shows unknown, remove and reset the SIM, try it in a different phone, or check the SIM packaging for the printed number. If none of that works, contact your carrier. They can look up the number by SIM exid. That troubleshooting step resolves most edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.